In homework lesson 21, problem number 7 is a binomial probability distribution, which starts off with n equals 6 is the number of trials, and the probability of success being 0.35. The first item to do is construct a binomial probability distribution. And so I did that over in StatCrunch. What I did is I first chose the binomial calculator. And as a reminder, that's under statistics, calculators, and then binomial. I added that there are 6 trials. I made sure my probability of success was 0.35, and I began with an x value of 0, meaning that there's 0 successes. I selected compute and recorded my answer to 4 decimal places. I continued to change the value for x to get each value in the table. From there, I chose to I took the values in the table and typed them manually into the first column and second column to create a probability distribution. Then I went to statistics, calculators. I went down to custom. And here what I'm doing is I'm going to calculate the mean. I select the values as being in the first column, and the weights or probabilities are in the second column. I select compute. This gives me the same bar graph that was in the other window, but it gives me the mean as 2.0999, and we need to round this in part B to 2 decimal places, so I arrive at 2.1, and the standard deviation rounded to 2 decimal places is 1.17. In part C, it tells us to multiply n and p. So I multiplied the number of trials 6 with the probability of success and arrived at 2.1 exactly. And for the standard deviation, I did the formula of np times 1 minus p and took the square root of it and came up with the standard deviation of 1.17 when I round it to 2 decimal places. Next, I selected C since it matched the bar graph in StatCrunch on the left. This particular picture looks like it's almost symmetric, but we'll notice that there are some extra values on the right side, so this is a right skewed graph.